I just want to focus on this hydrangea. It's so pretty and has more blooms. I'm so happy. We love hydrangea. This too. But sadly, it's small, so only 2 blooms. But still, it's okay. It will grow bigger. And our bleeding heart, still growing. Lumalaki siya. Loigilla. And, of course, Limetta again. Daming blooms. And our gladiolus has opened. So pink and white. Ganda. Different from the other gladiolus that bloomed. Ito, Limelight Prime. Still growing. I guess maliit siya when we ordered it online. And baka natatakpan siya nitong sedum. Maybe we'll try to move it next time or next year. And ito, another hydrangea. Ngayon ko lang nakita mag-bloom to this year. And it's so nice. But the blooms are only at the bottom. So, still growing siguro siya. Here, ang ganda. Another one there. And here at the back. Tatakpan. And another Limelight Prime. Ay, meron pa pala dito. Blooms. And another Limelight Prime. Ito, malalaki. Ang flowers. Pareho siya nung isa, pero naiwan yung isa. So nice. And this is Little Lime. May blooms din. It's smaller. And mas bilog. I think mas bilog ang kanyang flowers. Well, I guess we lost the red yarrow kasi mukhang white din ang bloom nito. And that is white. So we have 3 white and 2 yellows. We lost the red one. That was what we bought from Petiti. And this one is another Limelight. Oh, Little Lime. Little Lime siya. I have to deadhead the roses. And I have to fertilize the dahlias. Ang bagal nila lumaki. Okay. Low bat na ang battery ko. Hello, good morning. So, I just watered the plants. Nagdilig na ako. And I am thinking now of where to plant my 2 bare root roses. So, okay naman sila. The red masterpiece, this one. Meron siyang new growth there. Pero siguro mabagal. And the other one, yung Chrysler Imperial. Meron din naman growth. Point. Pero, I think I need to plant them na. Ito yung isang bare root rose, the Broadway. So, medyo kumakapal na yung leaves niya, pero isang side lang talaga. Wala yung itong other side. Okay, so let me see where I can plant. Niisip ko, it has to be full sun. So, I'm thinking dito sa right side. Although if it's not full sun, pwede ko namang ilipat later on. I just need to put them on the ground. Saan kaya pwede? Isip ko dito na lang muna. Here, the other one here. Dahil maliit pa naman siya. Other one here. And the other one, maybe here. Tapos lipat na lang afterwards. Just need to plant them somewhere. Gladiolus, madami na ulit. Okay. Dito sa harap, may daffodils dito eh. So, mahirap siya tamnan. And that hosta, maybe I'll transfer later on kasi malapit siya masyado sa what's this? The hydrangea. And masyado daw natatakpan. But right now, I think it's okay muna. And these alliums, I think I need to cut them. Dried na sila. It's dried. It dried up. And I need to clear or weed this part para maka-grow, lumaki itong mga phlox, lalo na the new ones, full of weeds. Okay, that's it for now. And I think I better start planting muna. Okay, bye for now. Okay, so I already planted the rose. So I planted and watered it. So here it is. Taking a video so I will remember. Hindi ko makalimutan what kind of rose this is. This is the red masterpiece, the hybrid tea rose. Okay, so today is July. What date is today? 23, I think it's July 23. So hopefully it will thrive here. So this is the red masterpiece hybrid tea. And the other one, the red masterpiece. So I don't forget. And the other one is the Chrysler Imperial. So here it is, Chrysler Imperial. So there's no sun here yet, pero mamaya iinit dito. Okay, and I can always transfer kapag hindi sila mag-thrive dito. Okay. Okay, so I was able to weed the phlox. So it's the next day or 2 days after, and I cut some of the phlox and planted the cuttings to fill up the space. I got it from this flax. So hopefully they will be able to survive, and it rained last night, so the ground is wet. So no more weeds in between, but it's hard to get those under the deck. And just an update on the roses, the 2 roses that I planted yesterday or 2 days ago. So this is the first one, and it's doing okay. It was so hot yesterday. And this is the second one. And I'm happy that I thought this was a white yarrow, but it's our red yarrow. So it was able to survive. So it's red. So we have 3 white, or 2 whites. 2 whites, 2 yellows, and 1 red yarrow. Okay.